Hi guys, so this is an update on the construction series. As you can see, the electrical has been completed and more of the framing and ductwork. As you can see, I had so much footage for this video and I cleared out my phone just to try to make space, and I lost so much footage, but this is what I have now. So as you can see, that was the kitchen with the electrical work. This is the installation, the sheetrock right here, this big long slab, and you can see it's the electrical being wired throughout the home, and the ductwork up above. This is the kitchen with the pantry right here we're looking at, and on the other side is the guest bedroom. More of the sheetrock, and as you can see, the sheetrock has been installed right here. This house was quite messy during this phase. It was dusty, it was just trash everywhere. It was horrible. I'm literally over this construction series. This is the foyer, and that is my husband. This is the dining room right here, and as you can see, it's just so completely trashy up in here. It was just a complete mess. This is the living room we're looking at, and as you can see, the framing for the kitchen is coming together with the pantry and everything. A living room again. To our left is the dining room where the bucket is facing, and this is the master bedroom we're going into, and then the master bathroom is being prepped for the tile work. You'll see in just a few moments. I literally have a cold right now. I don't know, I'm just coming down with something. This video should have definitely been uploaded last month, but I had so much going on. We went to Vegas and everything, and also, let me cut right fast, that was the wrapping for the house. And as you can see, the shower is being prepped, garden tub, and more sheetrock. This is the master closet we're going into. But as I was saying, the backyard isn't really that big, as you can see, which is good for me. The brick has been installed. I had footage of the brick being laid, and I lost that footage. I was so upset, like, I don't know. But this is the the sidewalk and the driveway, and as you can see, the taping has been installed into the garage throughout the home, and this is how the front of the house looks. My husband did choose a stone, but if you have any questions, just leave a comment below or message me. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.